Swift 3 SF313-53 is an interesting mid-range ultraportable with a focus on daily use productivity thanks to its 3:2 display. This is what primarily puts it on the map as one of the more affordable ultrabooks with Tiger Lake hardware, good I/O, big battery and a solid quality 3:2 display. Are these updates enough to make this late 2020 Acer Swift 3 SF313-53 model a good? That's what this article is going to answer for you as we've gathered all our thoughts and impressions on this ultraportable after using it for a couple of weeks. Design and construction. Aesthetically, this late 2020 Swift 3 13-inch update is identical to the model originally launched earlier this year. That means that silver magnesium alloys are used for its unibody construction, making it one of the lightest and at the same time sturdiest builds in its class. Its inner deck and keyboard area are especially solid and barely bulge even when pressed harder. Acer puts a good quality 3:2 IPS display on this series, which is in fact the main reason you'd want to go with one of these Swift 313s over the multitude of other options out there. Laptop Acer display. This is taller than the regular 16:9 screens on most other laptops, thus offers an increased workspace. Furthermore, Acer implemented a high-resolution panel with good brightness, contrast and color accuracy, perfectly suitable for everyday use and even fine enough for occasional color accurate work.